Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use a Google Authenticator on your PC. As you can see, I have it right here. Okay, I'll show you how I got to this point, and I'll also connect it with my Facebook just to show it actually works. Now, the first thing I want you to do is search this up on your browser. Okay, open the first link, download and install this. This is basically an Android emulator. Okay, then you go to the Play Store and you just search up Google Authenticator, install it, and then open it up. As you can see right here, we have two options. Once I click on this plus icon, either scan a QR code and enter a setup key. So I'll show you how to use this. So let's say you want to connect your Facebook. So all you need to do is come here at the top right, click on the profile icon, click on settings and privacy. We'll click on settings right there. And then what we need to do is click here on Account Center. Okay, so click here on Account Center, and then I want you to choose your Facebook account. Once you click on Password and Security, okay, then click on Two-Factor Authentication. There we go. And now we need to turn on this for Facebook. So I'll click on Facebook, and then first we need to put in this code that we get sent to our email address. Once you put in the code, click on continue. And now I want you to choose authentication app. Click here and continue. Now I'll show you how to use this. Okay, so you can either scan a QR code, which in this case would not have a camera because it's just an emulator. So click on enter a setup key. I come back here to Facebook. So here we get this key. Just copy this key, go back here, paste the key in here. Okay, under your key. The code name, you can just type in any name. In this case, I'll just put Facebook for easier identification type of key. Leave it to time-based, and then just go ahead and click on add. Now we see this code. So 479 and then 666. Okay, click here on next. There we go. 479 666. Click on next, and we have basically added the Authenticator app to our Facebook. And here we have the codes coming in. Okay, just enter your password again and continue, and you're done. And it's really that easy and simple.